Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we're going to be making a jumping dolphin diorama, or a resin art piece with a dolphin jumping in it. So right now we are cutting out a dolphin on the scroll saw using a compound cut method. Here's the first side, and now we're just starting the second side. So as we finish this up, this is going to get sent off to Wendy from Toonpish Crafts, and she is going to make us a awesome blank, which is right about here. So now we've got it mounted onto the lathe, and now we are going to turn it to our desired shape. And we are using a mixture of tools, but they are all negative rake, and they are all from Easy Wood Tools. We're going to take it down to the wood, which is going to have some Red Mallee Burl. There you go, you can see it appearing there. There we go. Now we're going to get to sanding. This is 400 grit. I'm betting that dolphin's very dizzy at the moment. There we go. Now we're going to clean it off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You're just going to buff this in until you have a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. There you go, last few wipes. And now we're going to go to some Yorkshire Grit Microfine. Going to wipe this over exactly the same as the original until you get a clean paper towel, except this time they have the equivalent of around about 2000 grit. There you go, last few wipes. And there you go. Alright, we've got a piece of sycamore on the lathe here for the base. We're just going to quickly mark out for a mortise. And now we're going to make said mortise. First of all, we're going to use is the mid-sized detailer. I'm going to clean it all out with a number 1 hollower. Flatten everything off using the rougher. And back to the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chuck. There we go, we're just flattening everything off with the rougher again. Here we go, you need to go a little bit deeper inside the mortise. Back with the detailer again. But there you go. Alright, so we're going to sand to 240 grit here. Bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean everything off. some sanding sealer, some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste, and I'll wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There you go, last few wipes. There you go. Alright, we've got it flipped round in a chuck now, so now we're just going to mark the dimensions of the bottom of the Dolphin art piece. There we go, now we're going to turn the blank to round and we're going to use the finisher for that. And then we're going to start shaping it. It's a pretty simple design. And flatten it off with a rougher at the top. And there you go. Alright, now we're going to make the recess so we can sit the art piece inside of it. There's the detailer. And we're going to clean it all out with a rougher. And then flatten it off with a rougher. Alright, already done most of the sanding, so this is just 240 grit. There you go. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean out the grain. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Same as underneath. Just wipe it all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent around about 1,000 grit. There you go, last few wipes. And some finishing wax. So you want to wipe this all over, turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. Be careful not to push too hard, you want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. I will leave links down in the description for Wendy's casting video, and I will leave links up in the cards as well to her channel, and I will also leave links to the end screen to Wendy's channel as well, so be sure to go and check her out. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.